Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display places on the map on the Eurowag Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings button under the vehicle, and you can find the fourth option, the map view and units, and here go to the first section, the map view, and here you can find the third or the last option, the places on the map. Click that and you can select the display places on the map, and if you want to show places, just click to the next circle icon, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, so you can check the fuel station, repairs, truck wash and others on your map. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.